01 knapsack problem using branch and bound. Given are profit 10, 10, 12, 12 and weight 2, 4, 6, 9. There are 4 objects and the capacity of the knapsack is 15, m equal to 15. Now to solve this problem using branch and bound, here is the method, that is LCBB. That is least count, branch and bound. In this problem, or in the knapsack problem, the bag is available, and to put these objects into the bag and check the weight, and sum of the weight is less than or equal to the given capacity. If this condition is true, then add this object into the bag and check that the maximum profit is calculated after adding the proper object into the bag. Okay, to solve this problem using LCBB method, here first to calculate the upper bound is summation of all profit Pi into Xi, I is equal to 1 to n, and then to calculate the cost, summation of I is equal to 1 to n Pi Xi, and this is calculated with fraction, to include the fraction part for calculating the cost. For calculating the upper bound, do not include the fraction part, and check this summation of this is less than or equal to m. M is the capacity of the bag. Then first one, this problem is solved in 2 ways: fixed tuple size, this is the first way, and second, variable tuple size. And draw the state space tree for both state space tree. Okay, to find out the solution is in a fixed tuple size solution or variable tuple size solution. For example, the included objects are, here is the solution S, the included objects are x1, x3, okay, in a variable tuple size, and in a fixed tuple size, if the object is included into the bag, then put here 1. If object is not included, then put here 0, like this. Okay, this is the solution for fixed tuple size problem, and this is the solution for variable tuple size problem. Okay, first one, to find out the root or first node. Okay, to calculate the upper bound and cost, initially upper bound is equal to infinity. Okay, to the main part is that to find out the maximum profit, we have to consider all this upper bound and cost value in negative. Let's how to find out the solution using fixed tuple size state space tree. Let's consider upper bound is equal to infinity. First node, to calculate the upper bound and cost. Let's to calculate the cost, C is equal to, okay, then the summation of all profit, to include the object into the bag, then to add this the profit into the cost. First one, cost is profit is 10 and weight is 2. Okay, this is less than or equal to 15 or m, then add it into the bag. Then next, profit is 10 plus 4, weight is 4, then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 6 is less than or equal to 15, then add it into the bag. then plus 12. Weight is 6. Okay, then 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12. 12 less than or equal to 15. Then add this object into the bag. Okay, then plus 18 is not possible here because here is the weight is 9 and sum of all this weight is not less than or equal to m or 15. Therefore, do not add the last object. Then to calculate the C, we include here the fraction part plus what the last object, the weight of last object is 18. Weight is, the profit of last object is 18 and weight is 9 into what? 15. Okay, this is total weight is what? 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to what? 3. Then use this part into in here. Then 18 divided by 9 into 10. Okay, first 1 and then 2. Then cost is 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 6. Then the cost is what? 38. Then use here minus 38. Use here what? Minus 38. Negative, consider, use the negative sign here. Then upper bound. Upper bound is calculated the same thing but without including the fraction part. We include only the profit. Okay, do not include this fraction part for calculating the upper bound. Then only profit. 10 plus 10 plus 12 is equal to minus 32. Okay, then update this upper bound. Why? Because of infinity is greater than minus 32. That's why then initialize again the upper bound is equal to minus 32. Okay, after that in the fixed tuple size problem, to include the first object, that is x1 is equal to 1. To calculate the second node's upper bound and cost. Okay, means what? To include the first object. The same thing is happen here for calculating the cost and upper bound. Why? Because what here is what? X1 is equal to 1 means what? To include the first object. We already included here the first object. Okay, 10. That's why the cost and upper bound is same for this first node, that is minus 38 and minus 32. Okay, then next x1 is equal to 0 means what? Do not include the first object here. Okay, then how to solve this? Or first calculate the cost here. Again C is equal to, okay, first we are calculating here the cost. 10 plus 10 plus 12, here is the weight. Okay, do not include this object, that is first object. 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus here is the weight, but 4 plus 6 plus 9, this is not less than or equal to 15. We cannot add this one here. Okay, then the fraction part is plus 18 divided by 9. Here is 15 minus 10 into 5. Okay, here is the 5. 15 minus 10. 10 is what? 4 plus. The weight of the two object is what? 10. Do not include the first. Okay, why? x1 is equal to 0. Then 10 plus 12 plus 18 divided by 9, that is here 2 divided by 1 and 10. Okay, 10 plus 12 plus 10 is equal to what? C is equal to what? Minus 32. Then For calculating the upper bound, do not include the fraction part. For calculating the upper bound, no fraction part, only the profit is added. 10 plus 12 is equal to minus 22. Okay. Okay. Check. This cost is always less than or equal to this upper bound. If this cost is greater, then kill that node. Okay. But here is the same. Then leave. Then to explore this one. Why this one? Because we use here LCBB method, least count. Check the cost of both the node. Which is less? This one is the less. Minus 38 is less than minus 32. That's why we explore this part. Okay. Then here what? X2 is equal to 1. Means what? The second object is included here, and here x2 is equal to 0. Means what? The second object is not included here. Okay. For this branch, first object included, second object included. Therefore, the cost and upper bound remains same. That is minus 38 minus upper bound is equal to minus 32. Why? Because of first object included, second object included into the back. This is same. The cost is here. First object included, second and third, whatever it, first, second object included. Therefore, cost is equal to minus 38 and upper bound is equal to minus 32. Second part, second object is not included here. Okay. Then in this part, here, how to calculate the cost? The second object is not included. Okay, the root, not that, the root is what? First object included here, but second. First object is included here, second not. Okay, then what? 15 minus 2 plus 6. Okay, we include here the third object. What happened? Plus 9. What happened? 8 plus 9, that is 17. Okay, not included here because the condition is violated. That is the cost, total weight is not exceed for this capacity. Therefore, we cannot include here the 4 object. Okay, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Then 7 is here. 10 plus 12. Remaining profit and weight of the fourth object. 18 divided by 9. Then 2 into 7, that is 14. Then 10 plus 12 plus 14. What? C is equal to what? Minus 36. And upper bound is equal to 10 plus 12 is equal to. Let's start with next. This one. Why this one is explorer? Because check. Here the method is what? LCBB, least count. The least cost is here, that is minus 38, which is less than minus 36, less than minus 32. Therefore, explorer this one. Here x3 is included and second part x3 is not included. If x3 is included here, then cost is remains same, that this previous one, and also upper bound is same, that is minus 32. Because of what? First object is included. Okay, then explorer this object here, that is third object included and third object is not included. Kill that node. Why? Because what? This is minus 36 and this one is minus 32, which is greater than this minus 38. Therefore, kill that node. Here, we cannot explore this one because what? The fourth object is not included here. If we included here, the this condition is false. That is, if this 9 is added into this all this weight, the condition is false. We cannot add this fourth object. The upper bound and capacity remains same. Why? Because of path is what? One object included, second object included, and third object included. Then that is a third object is not included to calculate the upper bound and cost. Cost is first object included, second object included, plus here is the weight. This third object is not included. 2 plus 6 or 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6, which is always less than this 15. After adding this fourth object, that is weight is 9, is what? 15. 15 is less than equal to 15. Condition is true. Then add this fourth object here. What? Cost is minus 38. And upper bound is also minus 38. Again check here to upgrade this one, minus 38. Why? Because this minus 32 is greater than this minus 38, then upgrade that one and kill both node. Why? Because this cost is greater than this minus 38. Kill that node. Then explore this one to add fourth object, and x4 is equal to 0 means do not include the fourth object. Okay, after adding this fourth object to calculate the cost, first object included, second object included, third object not included, and fourth object included. We already here the fourth object included. Then the cost is minus 38. Upper bound is also minus 38. Then next part, x4 equal to 0 means fourth object is not included into the bag. Then the cost is 10 plus 10 minus 20, and upper bound is again minus 20. Then this is the last level, that is to add the fourth object. After that no more objects are available in our given. Only 4 objects are here. Then stop for exploring this state space tree. Okay, this is the solution. Why this one? Because the capacity of this last one, C is equal to minus 20, to kill that node, because our upper bound is what? Minus 38. This is always greater. Therefore kill that node. Next, this is the answer node. This is what? Answer node. Okay, this last one is answer node. Upper bound and capacity remains equal. Minus 38, minus 38. Then the solution is what? First object included, second object included, third not, fourth object included. The profit is 10 plus 10 plus 12 not included plus 8 is equal to minus 38. And the weight 2 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to what? 50. The bag is full for this solution, that is 1101. And this state space tree, we use here the fixed tuple size methods for solving this 01 knapsack problem using LCBP, least count, branch and bound.